Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Medical Spanish Fast Track Roadmap for nurses and physicians interested in learning Spanish for various purposes, including increasing their market value. I'm Vala Jakije, and I'll be your guide throughout this linguistic journey. So Module 1, Module 2 are part of Spanish grammar, and the step 3 is medical content. And this here, if you take a screenshot, any subfield you want to convert, you follow this approach. But in my program, if you take the program, you will learn the linguistics techniques and approaches that I use. They are well resourced, that I use to teach the specific content I'm going to teach in the program. So, but it's applicable when you learn those techniques and approaches, you can take them to convert other things on your own when you have the time to. Okay, now we have finished step 1, step 2. This is the roadmap. This is not the program here. The program is several hours. Okay, the module 1 by itself is 6 hours, and module 2 a couple of hours, and module 3 and 4 are no less than 6 hours. So, and you have a lot of things to, and one good thing about this program is whether you take the program or you take the vital sign measurement only, it will cost you the same thing. So I do that so as I can, so as a lot of people, even people who don't speak any Spanish, as of now, they can do the program without paying extra. Okay. So we finished step 1 and step 2. Now we are moving toward integrating Spanish with specific medical content. Okay. So the subject matter we are going to cover in this program, in the program I'm teaching, is vital sign measurement. But whoever you are, if you are, you are a urologist, or you are a respiratory therapist, or you are a cardiologist, or you are, OBGYN, whichever area you are specializing as a nurse or as a physician, once you take this program, the linguistic approaches and techniques you will have learned in the program will help you convert any other micro skill of your choosing. So this is a template in a way for you to convert. You have a skill, you are a cardiologist, and you want to convert your skills to be able to take care of your patient. Well, approaches and techniques will be taught to you in the program. The content of the program will not be cardiology or gynecology or nephrology, but it will help you convert, and it will give you sources where you can find material in Spanish directly and gather and do both print, online, and audio visual materials that are out there. You'll have access to, you have the sources, and you have material, you have audio material directly presented by native Spanish speakers, and that will speed up your learning process. Okay, so at this level, if you want to check the program, don't go to the description below the video, click on the link, and then it will take you directly to the program. Okay. Well, so far, if you've been enjoying the video, if you have learned anything, consider subscribing to the channel, and consider like the video and share its content with your friend, and whether they are in medical field or not. If they need to learn Spanish, you can share with them. Thank you. So the program, Bilingual Spanish Nurse, as I said, it has the grammar component and it has the medical content component. And the program I'm focusing on the teaching I'm providing is measuring the vital signs of Spanish-speaking patients. It's a 6-week online short course, including the grammar, the 2 grammar modules, and then 1 module on reading and writing in the area of vital sign measurement specifically, and 1 module on listening and speaking skills acquisition in the area of vital sign measurement specifically. With that density of the content, you will be able to develop your auditory capability faster and speaking ability faster in that specific field. Okay, you're not going to cover everything there is under the sun. Okay, but you do this, you learn the linguistic skills. Now you take those skills to convert whatever you want to convert. Okay, if you don't need a vital sign measurement, at least use that content because you are familiar with how to take the vitals. So familiarity also help learn faster. So because you are familiar with that, you use it to learn, and you learn the skills and the skills linguistic techniques and approaches you will have learned in that field by taking the program are transferable to any other micro skill that you want converted. So all this will be covered, from temperature to heart rate to blood pressure to pain to oxygen level, all those, respiration, and all those will be covered. And there is a course on vital sign measurement in Spanish. The course, I have the course separate from the program. The course only handles the vital sign measurement part of the program. If you want the course, if your Spanish is already good, you are already making sentences in Spanish, you don't need any help, you can go and take that course directly. That will teach you how to measure vital sign in Spanish. But if you are beginner of Spanish, or your Spanish is a little rusty and you want to brush up and all those with the grammar, then you take the program. They are the same price because I don't want people who don't have the grammatical knowledge to be at a disadvantage. So it's the same price for both courses. So if you are interested in the program, in the course, you can take the course. You go to the description of the video, you'll find the course. You'll find the course by itself. But also you'll find the link to the program. The program will include grammar and also a bonus that gives you some interpersonal skills about provider-patient interaction. So separate from the course, then there is the program. This is the program. It's the same thing as far as the content is concerned, the subject matter is concerned, but this includes the grammar part and the bonus for interpersonal communication skill development. So this is the bonus. You have essential Spanish for provider-patient social interaction, introduction to Spanish cognate for medical professionals, Spanish pronunciation basics. So this module also will help you, will strengthen you'll make you whole as far as linguistically speaking. The course standalone does not include the bonus. It doesn't include the grammar. It's just the module on vital sign measurement, reading and the vocabulary, and then speaking, listening and speaking. But the program has both module on grammar, part of speech, sentence building, and also it has this bonus module. Okay, but I put them at the same price, so somebody who buy the program will have everything they need. But somebody who already speaks Spanish and who want to learn vital sign measurement very fast, they can just get the course. I put them at the same price. You check if the course is on sale, buy it. If even if it's not on sale, Buy it because you are not only buying the program, you are buying the linguistics approaches and technique that you can use to convert other micro skill from English into Spanish. So this is the outcome of the program. You'll be, if you are facing a Spanish speaking patient, you'll be talking to them, you'll be listening to them, you'll be talking to them. If you want to take a brief note, you'll be able to take a brief note. So that's the advantage of the program, different from the course by itself. But if your Spanish is already good, you can buy the course and be comfortable. But if you still need grammar or you need some interactional skills, then buy the program. It's the same price. You don't lose anything. On that note, I thank you very much for your time, and I wish you the best of lucks in your endeavor to improve your Spanish skills. Check the program out. It might help you have a greater impact as a healthcare professional. Thank you for your time.